Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Drink Smoker is probably one of the most exciting gadgets to elevate your home bar experience. It's a fantastic way to infuse your cocktails with a rich, smoky flavor that you can't get from traditional methods. This device is perfect for anyone who loves experimenting with new flavors and impressing their friends with unique, delicious drinks. Get ready to take your mixology skills to the next level. Number 5. Cocktail Smoker Kit, Premium 14 PCS Set. This premium set includes everything you need to create delicious smoked food and drinks. It comes with a smoke infuser, hose, lids, cocktail ball, wood chips, batteries, and cleaning accessories. It's a complete package to elevate your cocktail experience. The smoker features easy one-button use with 2 smoking speeds. It generates intense cold smoke that infuses your food and drinks with a tender, smoky flavor. This portable food smoker is convenient and gives a wonderful aroma. The kit includes a tall cocktail smoke lid and a disc lid. The cocktail ball and straw are also included. These accessories complement your bar collection and enhance the smoking experience. Add a delicious smoky flavor to your food and drinks quickly. This portable and easy-to-use food smoker produces cold smoke for your favorite recipes. It's an excellent gift for various occasions. The product has UL 73 safety certification and comes with a 1-year warranty. You are protected from defects or malfunctions. Customer support is available to resolve any issues or answer your questions. If you're not happy, they will replace or refund it for you. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need, from the smoker to the cocktail ball. Its flexible hose and specially designed nozzle make it versatile for any food or drink. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that prioritizes safety and convenience, this is the one for you. What people say. Great smoker, easy to use, works perfect. It works perfectly. Arrived very well packaged with everything included to get started straight away. Everything felt well made and not flimsy. There are 7 sample pots of different wood chips to try, not very big but plenty to give you an idea of what you might prefer. I couldn't wait to get started and decided to try something simple and smoked a couple of slices of cheese. Just a small pinch of hickory wood chips in the cup, inserted the hose nozzle into the dome, put my cheese under the dome, turned on the fan and lit the chips. Wow, how much smoke! I was impressed. I wasn't sure if I had used the right quantity of chips or if I needed a few more, but with a little experimenting I'll figure it out. I tasted the cheese and it was lightly smoky, so I gave it a second smoke and it was very good, definitely smoky. Number 4. GKC Cocktail Smoker Kit, Indoor Drink and Food Infuser. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for entertaining guests. It's an excellent choice for holidays, birthdays, or housewarming gifts. Unlike other smokers, this kit includes wood chips, so you don't have to buy them separately. It comes with all the accessories you need to smoke your favorite cocktails, charcuterie, or cheese board. It even includes a cleaning brush and a storage bag. This handheld smoke infuser is designed for indoor use, transforming your kitchen skills. It's perfect when it's too cold outside or you're short on time. It also preserves the perfect edge-to-edge cooking of meats and adds a smoky aroma. You'll receive a downloadable recipe guide with tips and recipes for smoking cocktails, meats, and appetizers. You'll also get free online access to a growing library of gourmet recipes. Check your inbox. At GKC, we love to cook and use our products daily. We offer convenient devices to add culinary touches to your meals and drinks. This smoker is made of sturdy, easy-to-clean materials with a specially designed chamber for the right amount of wood chips. What we like. This kit includes wood chips and a downloadable recipe guide, so you can start smoking right away. Its elegant design and professional-grade construction make it easy to use. If you love to cook and want to add a smoky flavor to your meals and drinks, this is a great choice. What people say. The smoker is easy to use and creates a wonderful smoky flavor. It's a great way to add a unique touch to cocktails. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. Mitbak Cocktail Smoker Kit, Indoor-Outdoor Smoke Infuser. Want to elevate your cocktails? This kit adds a smoky flavor in seconds with 3 smoke speeds. It's easy to use and perfect for any drink. This complete set includes everything you need for smoked drinks and food. The kit comes with wood chips and a specially designed dome lid. The smoker features a long-lasting, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This low-maintenance battery has high energy density and won't lose its charge over time. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Looking for a great gift? This smoker is perfect for anniversaries, Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, and more. It's a unique and thoughtful present. This indoor smoker is excellent for adding smoke flavor to various foods. You can use it on beef, fish, chicken, cheese, and vegetables. Impress your friends by adding smoke to your whiskey and bourbon cocktails. What we like. The smoker comes with a long-lasting, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It also includes a specially designed lid dome. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-use smoker with multiple speed options, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works perfectly. Used frequently to smoke a variety of meats. The included dome fits securely over a standard Instant Pot. The unit, on high speed, produced a very substantial amount of smoke. I love having the dome instead of just the nozzle, like some drink smokers have. Anything that can fit can get smoked. Number 2. SmokeTop Cocktail Smoker Kit with 4 flavors with chips. Introducing the SmokeTop Cocktail Smoker Kit. It comes with 4 unique wood chip flavors. This kit is designed to transform your home bar experience. These smoking chips are proudly made in the USA. They've been carefully fine-tuned for the SmokeTop Cocktail Smoker. You can feel as confident as a professional bartender. These chips pair perfectly with any cocktail, whiskey, or bourbon. It's your go-to for an old-fashioned style smoking glass. The unique scents will enhance your drinks. Not a bartender? No problem. Combine these chips with SmokeTop's elegant design. Anyone can become a professional bartender. Wow your friends at your home bar. Cold smoke anything you can think of. Use it with cocktails, spirits, meats, cheese, coffee, and even ice cream. These flavored wood chips offer versatility. What we like. The chips are proudly made in the USA and designed to pair perfectly with any cocktail. Its simple design makes it easy for anyone to become a professional bartender. If you want to impress your friends with delicious smoked drinks, this is the kit for you. What people say. The smoker is easy to use and creates a great smoky flavor. It's a fun way to add a unique touch to cocktails. The smoke infuser is well made and looks great on my bar cart. Number 1. Whiskey Smoker Kit with Torch. This whiskey smoker kit is designed to enhance your drinking experience. It comes with everything you need to create smoky cocktails at home. It's perfect for whiskey and bourbon lovers. This all-in-one cocktail smoker set includes a refillable torch and 4 wood chip flavors. It allows you to easily add a smoky flavor to your favorite drinks. The kit also includes a smoker lid and a display stand. Create bar-style smoky old-fashioned cocktails with this elegant kit. It's designed for whiskey and bourbon drinkers. You can enjoy a professional finish in the comfort of your home. The easy-to-use whiskey smoker kit with torch brings out deep smoky notes in your drinks. It's simple to use and provides a professional finish. Remember, butane is not included. Organize your setup in style with the durable display stand. This kit is a showpiece among your favorite bar accessories. It's a great addition to any home bar. This bourbon smoker kit with torch makes the perfect gift. It's ideal for birthdays, Father's Day, or Christmas. Any man who loves whiskey will appreciate it. What we like. This kit comes with a refillable torch and an elegant display stand. It's designed for whiskey and bourbon drinkers. If you're looking for a stylish and complete kit to elevate your home bar, consider this one. What people say. Includes several different wood chips for smoking and allowing for a different taste to your preference. Easy to use and easy to clean. Kit contains everything I need to smoke my drinks. The little flame thrower works well. I've had no issues. The wooden holder is nice to have. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.